In this video, I'll show you how to buy tickets for Super Nintendo World Japan. Start by opening your browser and going to the official website of Universal Studios Japan. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down and you will see different sections like ride attractions, play experience, meetup, food and restaurant, merchandise and shops, ticket information, and other areas. You can click on any of these to read more details, but for now, let's move to the ticket section. Go to the top menu bar and find the Buy Tickets drop-down. Click on it and then click on Official Web Ticket Store. This will open a new web page. Wait for it to fully load. Once the page is ready, you'll see many ticket options like the one-day studio pass, two-day studio pass, and tickets for other events like Expo 2025. Each pass has options for adult, child, and senior tickets. You'll also see the prices listed in yen next to each ticket type. To select your tickets, click the plus icon next to the type you need. For example, click once for one adult ticket and once for each child ticket, depending on how many people are going. After selecting the tickets, click the Select Date button. A calendar will appear. Choose your preferred date. Keep in mind that ticket prices may change based on the day you pick. Once you've selected the date, click Add to Cart. Next, click on Next Step. The website will now ask if you want to buy any express passes. These help you skip lines at popular rides. If you want one, repeat the same process by selecting the type of express pass and the number of people. Then click Next Step again. Now you will see a list of extras. These are optional services like rental items or meal vouchers. Select anything you need and then continue to checkout. In the final step, enter your payment information. After your payment is confirmed, your tickets will be sent to your email. You can use the email to access the tickets when you visit the park.